How everybody doing today? Oh, it's Capricorn season if you didn't know. Yes, me, she, her, my season. I went and got my hair did. So you know how it is when you go get your hair did and nails did. Can't nobody tell you nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Can't tell me nothing. Hope everybody is having a good day today. Yes. My day, well, I woke up this morning feeling a little bit better. I was in bed really sick all Christmas Day. Ooh, but now I'm better. I'm making myself feel better because this is the B-Day weekend. And I don't want to be all down and out sick, but feel a little bit better. Got out the house, got me something to eat on. Went to Dairy Queen, got some steak fingers and jalapeno strips or whatever. I stopped by the Chicken Express here where I stay. I love their mashed potatoes. And I like eating mashed potatoes with my steak fingers, so I got the mashed potatoes from there. This is a Heath Blizzard. I decided to try it. It tastes good. They're a Heath Blizzard at Dairy Queen. They got the Heath candy in it, brownie, caramel. I told them to add some pecans in there for me. It tastes good. I like it. I like these twisties. Some passion twist, honey. Passion. I got some steak fingers. I was gonna get some fish, but I just kept it with the steak fingers. I have some good steak fingers. That tastes good. It's real good. Y'all try Dairy Queen steak fingers. Ain't nobody finna be eating out of this mashed potato but me. So, I'm finna get my dip on. Dipping it in my mashed potatoes. They good. I don't know what brand of mashed potatoes they be using. They good. Ooh. Got me a high say. Yes, this year is almost gone. It is. I already started. I don't taking steps to doing stuff that I need to do for me to just overall have a better this the jalapeno strips. Whatever. It tastes good. That's good. But I started exercising. I started doing that. And just being more mindful of what I eat. Because I used to like eating burgers and stuff. I was sitting and thinking, I was like, I probably used to eat like, I would say I would probably eat about like maybe about 3 burgers a week. And that's just because like when I'm out running errands, doing stuff, going places, out running errands, going places and doing stuff, running errands and doing stuff, I just wasn't thinking about it. If it was a McDonald's close by, or if it was a Burger King close by, if that's what was close by, then that's where I stopped at to get something to eat. Let me set this up here. That's where I would stop at to get something to eat. So I'm just being more mindful. Me being more mindful this year of what I eat and how much I eat of it is what I'm doing. Being more mindful of what I like. Oh, see, that's why I got it. Yes. But yes, take the initiative to be more mindful on what you eat. Because my cousin sent me a picture of myself from a couple of years ago, and I looked at that picture. I was like, oh Lord. I mean, I was like, I was bigger than what I am now, but I just wasn't like I said, I just wasn't thinking. I was just living and going, one being there mindful of just realizing and taking a look at myself. And I was just carrying on, going on, and then it started hurting me. It would hurt me just a little bit to get in and out of my car. So I was gonna upgrade to a SUV. But that's when I told myself, I got serious, and I told myself, no, I'm not gonna upgrade to an SUV. That's not gonna fix the problem. I need to deal with it. I need to deal with the issue at hand, which is me just letting myself go like that. And knowing that I know better, and that's not me. But I don't know. I was just going. But I guess we tend to kind of let life get away from us sometimes, and we do have to stop, reflect, and look at ourselves. But like I said, it would hurt me to get in and out of my car, so I was like, oh no, honey. There's no way in the world. I'm not finna be, no ma'am. I always be joking with folks. I used to be referring to myself. What's the lady on Norbert, Red Fuchsia? My cousin was like, come on. Cause, you know, ladies night here at a spot here where I live. A hangout spot on Thursday night. It be jam-packed, body on body. She was like, come on, let's go out. Like, honey, no, it's body on body. Ain't no Norbit going on here. It's gonna be Norbit all up and through there. But yes, I'm feeling a little bit better, and I'm trying to make myself eat a little bit. I think I'm gonna go ahead on and just eat me one more. Oh, that's good. One more of my steak finger. People starting to shop. I can get ready to cook them a New Year's dinner. I gotta go to somebody's house and find some peas. But these mashed potatoes are good. I'm gonna ask them. I'm gonna say, what brand of mashed potatoes y'all be using? I'm sitting here at the grocery store because I'm finna go in here. I got some cans of Progresso soup at the house. I'm gonna go get me some garlic. I'm finna make me a soup like I did last time when I was sick. I don't do spicy, honey. No, I do not. But the only time I do spicy is when I'm sick, because it opens me up. So I'm gonna go get some. I got some. Oh yeah, and I put some jalapenos too when I boil my meat or whatever. Whenever I'm boiling something, I have a jar of jalapenos that's been sitting for a while, and I probably like put one of those in there. But it just give it just a little bit of a kick, a real good taste. It don't be spicy, but I got some at the house. So I don't know if I'll probably get a couple of more, because I want to put about 2 in my soup. But I'm going to have my jalapenos, my celery, onion. I love onion. And I think I'm going to get some celery too. But I'm going to mix it up in my soup. Give me some crackers. I already got me some lemon water, but that's probably what I have for tomorrow, the next day. But yes, I have to feel better because, like I said, this is birthday time for me, honey. My birthday next week. I'm trying to knock this out and feel better. But I hope everybody is having a good day. If your day didn't start off great, you better make it great. I'm gonna let y'all turn up with me. I got a regular vlog page. I keep forgetting to put the link down there to my regular vlog page, but I have to put the links to my other. I did another video too. I haven't posted on any one of my pages though, but she poppy. Bye bye. Have a good day.